Hey Joseph.
Yes.
Why is your lip in the trunk? I thought you were gonna paint it.
Yes. So that's not painted. The side skirts need to be repainted. So I'm sanding it all down today so I can paint it Friday.
Oh.
Yeah. With good paint this time for sure.
Look at this. Look. Would you look at look? Oh. Hello, sir. Hi. Hi, sir. Okay, bye. Oh, wow. I feel wow, wrestling.
That looks dope. And then when he slams it, if he ever slams it,
Gave it away.
if he ever slams it,
If he slams it.
I don't know if he ever is. Though.
Nah, probably not. Marcel literally came in from that way, went this way, went around, and now he's coming back again.
You gotta show off the new wheel.
Ooh!
You fucking big ass curve.
He just curb rashed the fuck. Excuse me, buddy. What wheels are these off? I noticed they're not your CRV stocks. Where these come from, bud?
Walmart, next to the produce section by the eggs and shit. Oh, snap at me then. Oh, alright, so this buff ass dog. Don't kill me. Oh. Ah!
There's only that thing right here.
Well, there goes a few dents.
Huh?
There goes a few dents.
From Lola. Oh, fuck, no! She did that, huh?
Damn, Lola.
Ah!
Did you do this? Did your tail do this? Damn.
Lola, goddamn! Alright, I see you.
Hey, that's a B20. Wow.
Just how I like my girls. You gotta be 20.
Alright guys, so Marcel is actually getting ready for a very, very big install on a CRV. But I'm
change.
Yeah, an oil change. So I'm a little parched actually, so I'm gonna grab some snacks real quick, literally at the store like quarter mile away. So then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna get Marcel his drink because my boy just got off work and he's thirsty as well.
Are you saying that because my lips look dry?
No, not at all.
Hey, can you hand me another sandpaper?
I think all the way right. All the way right.
No, I won't.
All the way
I'm just kidding.
So what do you have to do to the rear? Oh, these are already made for the CRV?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Nah. Make it sound,
So guys, if you guys probably haven't guessed it, Marcel's installing coilovers.
No, I'm doing an oil change.
Yeah, he's doing an oil change.
And we're out here to watch him do it.
And Joseph's just sanding shit.
He's always saying stuff.
He's doing arts and crafts over there. So yeah guys, Marcel's actually lifting it, so
Yeah, look at these rotors. They look like my cigarette.
oh yeah dude. You feel the little
Nah, that's for me going to work.
oh shit.
Motherfucker drive slow as shit, huh? Come on, motherfucker.
I should have lifted in the car.
That what?
Ow. Nice.
Marcel, so you wanna explain why you had to
Nice.
do all that cutting and shit?
Well, it's not really cutting, I'd say, but for CRVs, you have to shave down the control arm a little bit, because if you don't, it'll get like stuck up here.
Uh-huh.
If you lower it too much, and then you'll still be stuck like that until you get it unstuck.
Oh hell no. Yeah,
It's a safety precaution.
okay, yeah. So
Just
if you
in
guys, just in
case.
case you guys are wondering why the fuck he's using a grinder under there.
This guy's fucking his carburetor.
If anybody knows who could get me one of these, please hit my fucking
is
DMs.
that?
Like, please, the fucking heart.
Man steering.
This is like.
Alright Alright guys, so as you guys can tell, it's gonna get dark very soon, so...
Somebody want to step on this for me? Please.
How much longer,
I don't know how much longer I can hold them all.
Captain, I'm fighting.
What? Hey bro, I'm right here.
Oh.
Nah, you're good. The ass though.
Come on, Capitan.
Okay, you go, go.
What ass?
Go, buddy.
Hey, cakes are still cakes, alright? Cupcakes are... I enjoy cupcakes, alright? Don't matter if they're big or small, bro. Cake is a cake.
Bro, it's always cake.
So...
Oh, hell no.
So yeah guys, if the video suddenly just cuts to the next day, just know I got you darks. Yeah guys, so if it suddenly cuts till tomorrow, don't worry, we're gonna for sure show you guys the final product probably tomorrow. If Marcel.
Yeah, we're off tomorrow, so.
Oh, you guys are. Oh yeah, it's
Well,
Friday.
Our Friday we got off.
Oh, it's Thursday tomorrow.
So
Okay,
technically
okay.
tomorrow's our Friday.
For sure, then yeah, you guys are for sure coming through.
Oh, shut the fuck.
God damn it, guys.
Stupid mother.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Damn, hold me alone.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You should do this. I should block your ass.
Wait, what?
They think that they helping Marcel, but really they're just pissing him off.
Are you gonna be able to turn?
We'll see.
I think we think we have a bad imagine how they must feel. All them.
Hey, you're gonna have to smack shit right here.
Yeah. What, the little you sticking out?
Yeah, feel it? It's on the tire.
Oh, I just bend that in like that. What's that? Is that plastic? I think it's plastic.
Alright guys, it's the next day. Back with Mobbin fam. So right now we're waiting on Sedan Shame. He's gonna pull up the CRV, and I'll be able to show you guys what that shit looks like in some daylight. Cause from yeah, let me see a roller of it. Damn.
Let's see, huh? The ashes are in the back and shit. What a crash.
So yesterday, guys, Joseph's wheel actually debeated. He just put it away, so right now he's on the stock. So that wheel's done. It does not hold air anymore because it's cracked. So
You get it fixed, but I got it fixed too many times.
yeah, he's already fixed it, guys. It just the wheel's fucked, so it doesn't hold air. How many times have you debeated?
Once.
Once. So
Before this one, yeah.
yeah, guys. So I mean,
I was driving, dude. I was like this. I turned.
hey, no, buddy, I actually have some wheels for you.
Throw them on?
All right, wait, these are 18s, right?
Yeah.
You mind going down a size? They're
17s
the
right
same wheels, bro. They're the same wheels. Watch.
Oh, what? No way.
Yeah, come
Really?
here, yeah, come here,
I'm excited.
Come here, bro. Come here. Come on, bro. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, bro. Come on.
You got Devo's bike in here?
Oh, what?
You got Devo's bike in here.
You ready, bro? You ready? You ready?
Where are they at?
Say the magic words.
Okay, go ahead.
Cut down.
What?
Bro, I got you, bro.
Are these for sale?
Yes, they are
What?
actually.
How much you selling them for?
Well, these are CR Kais, so I mean, you're the homie, so they're authentic work CR Kais, by the way.
So how much you want for them? Like $200?
Yeah, bro. That sounds good.
I can't. I'll have to. You do payments?
No, I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know if you remember, but these were the wheels my S2000 actually came with, and I think it's time to post them up and sell them. So if you guys are interested, they're drag wheels. Fronts are by 7s, the rears are by 8s, 17s. So
You should post mine up with it, and you do a combo meal, and then whoever gets there first gets the money.
It's not a bad idea. Because Joseph's wheel, well, he's going to be selling his. It's just the only problem is one of the wheels doesn't hold air, so you guys have to fix that. So hit me up if you guys are interested. So yeah, that's not a bad idea. A little combo deal. 17 by 7, 17 by 8. And yours are what?
This is 18 by 9.5.
Alright guys, so yeah, I'm about to post them up on my Instagram. If you guys are interested, Instagram's gonna be right here. Or if you guys are interested in Joseph wheels, then Insta's gonna be right here. So, yep. Bye bye.
The whole day, the whole way to work, me and Joseph were smelling tires the whole time.
Fuck. So Marcel just came back from getting smaller tires in the front.
So that's a good one. Don't look at that one. Right here. Like Chewbacca ate my shit.
Oh shit.
And I hammered the frame rails and it's still rubbed.
Dang. Alright, it's better now?
Yeah, a lot better. I thought the coils were shitty, but apparently it's the tires. I think because the sidewalls are all flimsy. Look at this shit.
Oh man.
So that's the main.
Alright guys, so here's the CRV in daylight.
Huh? Yeah, it's just filthy. I haven't washed it since I bought it, dude.
So Marcel is actually going to lower the front a little bit more. He's going to raise the rear just a tad to get it nice and even because what's this fitment called?
Hemet fitment. It's notorious. If you live in Hemet, California, you probably see it 3 times out your day.
So yeah guys, he's going to try to, you know, make it look nice.
You see this?
And you also got top hats off of EF, so you're going to switch those out and we'll go lower.
EF?
Yeah, you can't. Dude, Honda shit's all interchangeable, to be honest.
I fucking wish your cords were like that.
They are.
So yeah guys, this shit looks fucking hard, dude. So
I'm gonna probably try to color match everything too, like in a few weeks.
like the trim?
The trim, the bumpers, the fenders, and the side skirts. Cause that two-tone shit makes it look ugly, dude.
Yes.
It's all dry as fuck. It's all ashy. With some fucking
Dude, color match, this shit's gonna look hard, bro.
Yeah. And I got a new fender already, and then next it's just a
And these are 7th gen hybrid stocks, right? Or 8th?
8th gen.
8th gen.
Yeah. And then the Honda Insights, they have the similar wheel pattern, but they have the line spokes on them.
Oh, I thought these were
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
they look exactly the same, but they have spokes on them.
Right in the crevices.
Joseph.
What?
Hey, bro, I gotta ask you something.
Uh-huh.
Dude, who the fuck is that Ben Stiller looking dude, bro?
That's not Ben Stiller, that's Rob Dyrdek.
Rob Dyrdek?
That's ridiculous.
So, Joseph, is there any reason why you're taking off this wheel right now?
So when the Susias pass by, they gotta
So the
see.
what? Jones barbecue foot massage. Jones.
Marcel CRV looks fucking dope, guys. Comment down below again what you guys think. So, some bit for today's video. Yeah, oh, we're gonna lower it right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so stick around for next video if you guys want to see this thing lowered even more. Well, at least the fitment's gonna be evened out because he's a lot lower in the rear, and then the front is like just a tad bit higher. Not that much, but he's gonna level it out.
I'm gonna do it for Jesus' mom. I'm gonna max it out for Jesus' mom. Cause she loves me.
I'm leaving that right. All right,
Oh,
guys.
Jesus already know. I just, man.
Hey, what's going on with Jesus' mom?
watch the video and be like, what the fuck?
Hey, tell him to check the cupboard and left a surprise in there for him.
What the fuck?
Yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like it, subscribe for new. Be back with some more shit. Marcel said he has some more shit coming for the CRV, so like a carbon fiber vented wood. So
Fuck yeah.
stick around for that.
Battlecraft only, dog.
Battlecraft.
Yeah.
Just get some
Hey, I used to race back here in high school.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, that light down there, 1/4 mile.
Wait, I don't have enough gas.